Is it the right time to buy or sell Google stock? Today, we're delving deep into Google. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, February 13, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. To stay updated on our latest analysis, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. Don't miss out on any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of February 2, 2024, our system has identified Google as a buy candidate with a score of 2.80. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has shown a gain of 1.97%. This means that since it was listed as a buy candidate, Google has delivered an average return of 0.25% per day. The stock is currently in the middle of a strong rising trend in the short term, indicating a potential further increase. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a projected change of 10.99% over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return between 8.37% and 19.55%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a forecasted 47% change over the next year. This indicates a potential return between 38.4% and 57.72%. In terms of price, it could range from $202.57 to $230.86 after 1 year. Today, we have an important update on Google's stock performance. On Tuesday, the 13th of February 2024, Google's stock experienced a decline of 1.59%, resulting in a stock price drop from $148.73 to $146.37. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $145.11 and a high of $148.04, representing a 2.02% fluctuation. While the stock price has risen in 7 out of the last 10 days, it is still down by 4.36% over this period. In terms of trading volume, there was an increase of 831,000 shares on the last day, despite the falling prices. This could be an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. Overall, a total of 18 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $2.63 billion. Now, let's take a look at Google's stock performance over the past 52 weeks. The highest price recorded during this period was $155.20, while the lowest price was $88.86. Currently, the stock price is 5.69% or $8.83 below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 94.21% or $2,380.62 below the all-time high, which was reached on June 11, 2021, with a price of $2,526.99. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, January 25, 2024, Wedbush gave Google GOOG sell grade with an upgrade action. On Wednesday, October 25, 2023, Needham gave Google GOOG buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, July 26, 2023, Susquehanna gave Google GOOG positive grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, July 26, 2023, KeyBank gave Google GOOG an overweight grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, May 24, 2023, JMP Securities gave Google GOOG market outperform grade with a hold action. Analysts highly recommend investing in Google stock, giving it a general rating of strong buy. They consider the PE ratio and price-to-book ratio as excellent opportunities for investment, both receiving a rating of strong buy. Additionally, the analysts believe that Google stock offers a promising return on investment, earning it a strong buy rating. Today, we'll be discussing the signals for Google stock. On Monday, January 29, 2024, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point. Since then, the stock has fallen by 5.47%. It's likely that the stock will continue to decline until a new bottom pivot has been identified. Additionally, there's currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Yesterday, volume increased as prices fell, which could be an early warning sign. It's important to closely monitor the stock in this situation. However, there are also some positive signals to consider that may impact the stock's short-term development. The Google stock currently has a sell signal from the short-term moving average, but a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is higher than the long-term average, there's a general buy signal for the stock, indicating a positive forecast. In terms of resistance and support levels, if the stock continues to gain, it may face resistance at around $147.08, which is the level of the short-term moving average. On the other hand, if the stock falls, it may find support at approximately $145.11, which corresponds to the long-term average. It's important to note that a breakup through the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown through the long-term average will result in a sell signal. Today, we'll discuss some interesting signals that can help you make informed investment decisions. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicator recently showed a sell signal. Pivots also indicated a sell signal 12 days ago. On the other hand, the Bollinger Bands suggested a buy signal 12 days ago. The short-term moving average confirmed a sell signal 2 days ago. Conversely, the long-term moving average gave a buy signal 9 days ago. Additionally, the relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 61 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart to get a broader perspective. The short moving average signaled a sell 2 days ago. However, the long-term moving average provided a buy signal 40 days ago. Furthermore, the relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 227 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more valuable signals and insights. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for Google. Google currently finds support from accumulated volume at $143.54. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is tested. It's important to keep an eye on this level. When it comes to risk, this stock has average movements during the day. With good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. So, it's important to be cautious and make informed decisions. Looking at recent performance, the stock moved $2.93 between its high and low in the last day, which accounts for a 2.02% change. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 1.52%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Google, it's important to understand some key fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. Google's P/E ratio is within the normal range, which is often seen in established businesses with predictable revenues. Moving on, the next earnings report for Q1 2024 is scheduled for April 23, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report are at $1.48. It's crucial to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's dive into some potential day trading levels for Google. If we see an upward trend, the first resistance level for Google stands at $147.97. If you're not holding any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. However, for those who already own the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Google faces its first support level at $143.54. If this support holds, it could serve as a promising entry point, with the potential for a rebound. The consensus rating for Google across multiple analyst sources is strong buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On February 7, 2024, Porritt Ruth made an insider buy of 97,120 shares of Class C capital stock. On February 7, 2024, Porritt Ruth conducted an insider sell of 49,043 shares of Class C capital stock. On February 7, 2024, Schindler Philipp made an insider buy of 194,200 shares of Class C capital stock. On February 7, 2024, Schindler Philipp conducted an insider sell of 98,050 shares of Class C capital stock. On February 7, 2024, Raghavan Prabhakar made an insider buy of 194,200 shares of Class C capital stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be negative with a ratio of 0.290. In the last 100 trades, insiders purchased a total of 922,327 shares and sold 931,306 shares. Today, we want to discuss our recommended stop loss for this stock. This stock tends to have moderate daily movements, which means there is a medium level of risk involved. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 11 days ago. Is Google stock a good buy? Although there are several negative signals and indicators that may impact its development in the coming days and weeks, we believe that today's level presents a potential buying opportunity. Over time, we anticipate that the stock price will increase, possibly reaching a higher value within the next 3 months. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price of Google stock is undervalued. When trading resumes on Wednesday, February 14th, we expect Google stock to open with a gain of $0.137 and start trading at $146.51. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading involves a high risk of losing money. Therefore, it's always advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that StockInvest.us is not a definitive source for investment guidance. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment choices and their outcomes. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock market. We're eager to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and let us know if you agree or disagree. We're also curious about your target for this stock. Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated on our latest content. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day. Thank you for joining us.